Very good morning, my dear students. This is Rahul Garg, your maths teacher, and we are discussing chapter number 4, that is linear equations in two variables. And this is fifth part of this chapter. Student, we have learned about the graphical representation, and and the solutions of linear equation in two variable. Today we'll discuss equation of lines parallel to the x-axis and y-axis. Now, first of all, make a Cartesian plane. If this is my Cartesian plane, you know that this is x-axis and this is y-axis. And on the left side, this is negative x and this is negative y. This is positive. Now, what will be the equation of line parallel to x-axis? First of all, draw a line that is parallel to x-axis. Suppose this is my line that is the parallel to x-axis and that is the point A. And you know that the coordinate will be 0, A, because on x-axis, on y-axis my x is 0, so the coordinate will be 0, A. These are the coordinate of this point. Now it at every point, say here or here, my y will be A. My y will be A. So what will be the equation? The equation will be y equals A. Y equals A. Y equal A will be the equation of a line that is the parallel to x-axis. Now what about if my line is parallel but in the bottom side? Say if this is the line, then what will be its equation? Now this point may be say minus b, so 0 minus b, then we say that the equation is y equals minus b. Means the point which is on the y-axis, that will be the equation. Means y equals a or y equals 1, y equal 2, y equals plus 3, y equals minus 3, y equals minus 4. These all are the equations that are the parallel to x-axis. Now for a line parallel to y-axis, if this is my line that is the parallel to y-axis, then according to coordinate system, this point will be say A, then the A0. The coordinate will be A0 and the equation will be x equals A. So x equals A is the equation of this vertical line that is parallel to y-axis. For horizontal line that is parallel to x-axis, y equals A, or for the vertical line parallel to y-axis, the equation will be x equals A. Now, if this is my Cartesian plane and the line is passing through this origin, if my line is passing through this origin, then what will be the equation? Then the equation will be y equals mx. Y equals mx. Y equals mx will be the equation of line passing through origin. This may be like this or like this. all have equation y equals mx. What will be the difference between these lines? The only difference will be the value of m, that is known as slope. In physics, in 9th class physics, you have learned about slope in chapter motion while driving the equation. We have 3 equation of motion where we have discussed about slope. So slope is a kind of tiltation, means how much the line is tilted with x-axis is known as slope. हिंदी में इसको बोलते हैं ढाल, कि कितनी एक लाइन की ढाल है, that is slope. So what will be the how we will draw the line, that is y equals x, means the slope is 1. Here the m is 1. For m is 1, the line will be equally from equal distance from x-axis and y-axis. Means the point will be here 0 0, then 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5. These all point will lie on the line whose equation is y equals x. Now the first question of our exercise 4.4. First question of exercise 4.4 is, give the geometric representation of y equals 3 as an equation in one variable. So in one variable and in two variable. Now in one variable, the line is represented as we represent the number on a number line. This will be represented in one variable, the point is represented on number line, whereas in two variable this is represented on Cartesian plane. So for first part, in one variable, draw the number line. Say this is my number line. And here this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and we have to represent y equals 3. So this is y equal 3, y equal 3. This is the first part. Now in two variable, you know that we have learned that y equals 3. This is the equation of a line that is parallel to x-axis. Y equals 3. In two variable, first of all, draw the Cartesian plane. So this is my Cartesian plane, and here this is 1, 2, 3, and this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Similarly 1, 2, 3 here. Now y equals 3, the line will be, this will be the line parallel to x-axis, and the equation of this line will be y equals 3. How you will find this? First of all, make the table in x and y. If my x is 0, y will be 3. If my x is 1, y will be 3. If my x is 2, y will be 3. Because nowhere in the equation x is mentioned. So y will remain same, that is 3. And whenever x changes, the value of y will be same, that is 3. So this is the equation, this is the line where y is always 3, whereas x is always changing. Here x is 1, here is x is 2, here x is 3, but y is same. So this represent y equals 3 in two variables, say x and y. Now the second question is, give the geometric representation of 2x plus 9 equals 0 as an equation in one variable. So first of all, 2x plus 9 equals 0, then 2x, this is plus 9. When we take this plus 9 on the right hand side, this will become minus 9. Now here 2 is in multiply with x, so on the right hand side it goes in divide. So this will be x equals minus 9 by 2 and the value will be minus 4.5. So to represent in one variable, equation is x equals minus 4.5. To represent the equation on one variable, draw number line. Say this is my number line, and here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now 4.5, but this is of negative sign, so take left hand side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Here the point will be minus 4.5. So this is x equals minus 4.5. Now how we will represent this in two variable? For two variable, draw the Cartesian plane. So this is my Cartesian plane. Now the x equals minus 4.5. If this is my x equals minus 4/5, the line will be parallel to y-axis. Draw a line parallel to y-axis which passing through the point, say 4.5. If this is my 4.5 and y will be 0. So this is represent x equals minus 4.5. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, and this is negative x-axis which is denoted by x dash. This is y dash. Y dash, x dash, and this point you know that this is origin, that is 0, 0. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. And what is the name of x coordinate and y coordinate? Student, what is the name of x coordinate and y coordinate? X coordinate is abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate, that we have already discussed. Okay student, we have completed our fourth chapter and you have one day to complete your notebook and ask your doubts related to chapter number 4. Then we will then I will take a test. This will be maybe MCQ based test, multiple choice question. So be prepared. Okay student, thank you and have a nice day.